All right, y'all, real quick video. I went ahead and installed some additional lights on my Raptor R. So you guys know, and it's kind of a glare, so I do apologize about that. So you guys know that it comes with these that are actually installed here on the bumper, but I went ahead and I put the Stampede 4x4 light kit on the top two that are here. So it's two for each side. And this is the part number for it, 6784. You might want to get them before they discontinue it. But this is going to be the part number. And basically, I'm going to try to pop this body off real quick. All right, so basically, get this going real quick. There are going to be these four transparent like light buckets or whatever you want to call them inside of here. And that part number I just showed to you actually fits right in here. It does stretch a little bit tight, so you can't really secure this down. But these are the lights for the Stampede 4x4. I got the other piece because it comes with this light bucket here that actually mounts on the front of the Stampede 4x4. You guys see there's four lights there. But those four lights actually fit right in here. And they even give you a little extension here you can put inside of your receiver here to plug that up. So I got fans and everything going now. But I thought that actually looked pretty cool with this extra set of lights. I don't know why Traxxas didn't include that with. Maybe they're going to come out with another light kit for it. But instead of coming out with one that's more expensive, I'd recommend you go ahead and get this before they become discontinued or you can't find them anymore. But like I said, this is the part number. So it's TRA 6784. TRA 6784. I picked this up from Hobbytown in Buford, Georgia. So I'm pretty sure a lot of our local hobby shops got it. I couldn't really find it too much online. You may be able to find it at certain places. But if you want to install those four top lights, that's what you want to do. And it's very easy. It's a little plastic piece in there. You just barely don't do it real hard, but take this up. There's a little plastic right there. That's right in here. You see this little bracket there. You probably can't see it that well. That's hold it up. Just push that up a little bit and snap that out. And then from the one from the bottom, just push it on the bottom and snap that out. And these little transparent buckets will pop right out. And then you can fit those right in there. I would recommend maybe putting a little bit of shoe glue or something in there to hold those in case you bash and it starts pulling so that it won't pull these wires, because these wires are pretty thin up in here. But that's going to be an option if you guys want to do that. And like I said, it does come with the extension on here as well, so you can plug that into your receiver. So I wanted to show that to you guys, so y'all can see how that looks. I'll probably run this for a few minutes tonight, but I think that makes it look more realistic, a lot more. So if you guys can, I'd pick up I'm probably going to get another set just in case. We just need something for the back, but I still think that's fine for the back. I don't think I want to drill any holes and put any lights in back. These are fine right now but I'm pretty sure they're going to come out with maybe a light kit that installs in here. Who knows? But my next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paint this body or this bed back here black to make it look a little bit more realistic. That's why I've been trying to keep my body in good condition and haven't been doing any serious bashing or anything with it. But so far, the truck's been good. It's been fun. It runs smooth. But I think I'm going to paint this bed black and then kind of leave it at that. And we will be good as far as detail on it, because I still want to run it off road and run it. But I definitely want to show this to you guys to show you how good that looks. So anyway, leave your comments down below. Give the like, subscribe, share with your friends, and stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you guys watching.